This is a long version tutorial where we will walk you through on how to create a configurator with Badvisor. As a model and reference, we are using the Pavoni throne, a winning design from Visionaire. Here, you are going to learn how to. Number 1. Check your assets and materials set up in Blender. Number 2. How to set up a quick but nice scene in Badvisor. Import asset, camera, lights, etc. Number 3. How to create a color variation with actions and how to reuse existing animations. Number 4. How to use overlays and set up animations. And last, how to publish your scenes. Let's start in Blender. Import your 3D asset in Blender. The best approach to work on Badvisor is to separate your 3D meshes by material. This will allow you to work more efficiently with actions. So here we have splitted the mesh into 6 pieces. Make sure that the materials are properly assigned and export the asset as GLB. If you want to know how to properly export a GLB file, please check out the short tutorial. Now, before importing the 3D asset in Badvisor, we want to prepare our scene. Let's quickly create the scene and click on Edit. Click on Scene Settings and change the background color to white. Go and grab your 3D asset to drag and drop it into the scene. You can find the asset now under the 3D elements. Now, under that list, hide the skybox. In the outliner, create a new material and select Shadow Only. One more time in 3D Elements, click on Plane, open the Material node, and connect the Shadow Only material. You can tweak the values, color, and strength of the shadow to your liking. Go to the lights and add a directional light. Change or adjust the intensity and diffuse color. Open the menu below and click on Enable Shadows. Set a direction and modify the values to make the shadow look more natural. Alright, now is time to create some animations. You can either open the mesh node in the outliner or simply Ctrl, Shift, and click on the mesh you want to work on. In Actions, create a new Animate node. Rename it, enable Map Properties, and click on the base color. Disable Map Properties. Change the duration of the frames to 50 and push the frame until the end. Duplicate the Animate node. Move the frames to the end again. This way, we can rewrite the current recorded frame. Change the base color based on the reference, enable the map properties, and map the new color. Disable mapping. Now you can switch from the original color to a new one. If you named your asset properly, you can easily reuse your animate nodes. Duplicate the original color and click on the replace icon and select the asset. Repeat the same process for the second animate color node. Because we want to create a configurator, we need to connect these actions to an UI or web element. For this tutorial, we are using the templates that Badvisor has available. Next to Save, click on Import, then go to the Badvisor tab. Select the Configurator sidebar 01. Mark all the checkboxes under Add All and Confirm. On the left side of your screen, you will see a tab that you can click open. Now go to the Overlays and click on the sidebar element. You can duplicate or delete layers to fit your needs. But first, let's clean a little bit, leaving just a couple of options. Option 1 will be for the second row, and Option 2 will be for the third row. Assign the correct names to each option, and while you click, you can see on the right side how the layers change based on your selection. Click on the image you want to connect the animation with, and on the layers, select the option above. Under Scene Actions, search and select the Animate node. Repeat this process for the rest of the remaining layers. Go back to 3D, and now you have a fully functional sidebar. Save your scene and click on Exit to go back to the Scene Properties view. Under Advanced, click on Enable Loading Screen, then change the color to white. Select the PNG to change the icon. We are done. After seeing that the scene has been updated, go to the top and click on Publish. If you click on View Now, you can see the configurator in a normal Navigator window. This is all for this first long tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.